I'm Joshua Clement with Lighty Contractors, and today I'm going to talk to you about drywall versus paneling walls for your basement. Now, most commonly, a lot of people put in some drywall in the basement. But one thing to keep in mind is you have to go with a mold resistant or a green board in your basement. Reason being, there's a lot of moisture down there because of the colder earth temperature compared to just being outside. Earth likes to stay about 54 degrees. So you want to get something that is mold resistant rather than just a regular half-inch drywall. Another thing to keep in mind about doing a drywall basement is you have to mud and tape all your seams. That's a lot more money and a lot more work than if you just threw up some paneling. But a benefit to having drywall in your basement is it helps with 1, insulation, and 2, sound deadening. Putting that thick of drywall on there, let's say you put 1/2 inch or 3/4 of an inch drywall in your basement, is going to kill a lot of the vibrations and the sound in your basement. It's not going to feel like everything's echoing real bad. One really nice thing about paneling is all you have to do is set it into place, put some nails in there, a little bit of trim. There's no finishing work or anything like that with your seams. They all interlock, so it's a lot easier to install. It can save you a lot of time doing it that way. One thing you have to watch out for is the high moisture in your basement. You might have to run a dehumidifier if you're putting paneling in there. The reason being, paneling is actually made up of wood pressed together. What happens when the moisture gets in here, this top facial coat tends to start bubbling and peeling off. So you want to make sure that your basement is well climate controlled, not a lot of moisture in your basement. I'm Joshua Clement with Lighty Contractors. Thank you so much for watching, and good luck with this project.